Hi everyone, in this video you will learn about how to add column and row in table in Word document. Very simple and very easy. Let's get started. Click on that, insert on the menu bar and then click on the table. And here you will see the insert table option. And if you want to add rows, you need to drag your mouse to the right side and you will see that there is the 6 rows have been added. And similarly, if you want add column, you need to drag your mouse to the bottom side and here you can see that the columns have been added, and here there is 6 rows and 8 columns added. So this is for example, just for your understanding. And if you want to add more column and rows, you need to click on the right side of the end of the table and simply enter, and you will see that another row is added. And if you want to add another, simply click on the right side of the table and press enter. And this way you can add multiple rows to the table. So if you think this video is helpful and you have learned something new, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.